are a way to visually show sets. Okay, and you will notice that they are drawn in a box, rectangular box. This would just indicate that there's just one set. This would be you've got two sets, but there is some overlap. What do we call the overlap? Does anyone remember what we call the overlap? So where there are common things to both of the sets. Nice. Oh, good reading. The intersection. And this, we've got two sets that have got nothing in common. And this one here is a set completely inside another set. Do we remember what that snowed as when we have one set completely inside another? These are the S. No, it's good again, the reading there. Subset. But as I said here, this is the most common type that we will see. Okay? To put values in a Venn diagram, you first of all look for the intersection. Okay, so what's in both sets? You write that in the overlap. Ooh. And then without repeating any values in the intersection, fill the remainder of the values into the correct section. Finally, include any other values from the universal set, and these are placed anywhere around the outside, but inside box. Alright, so this bad boy has been done for you. So it says here, now if you recall, the universal set is very important. Okay? So whilst it doesn't really have a major effect on your initial working, it is very important when you're illustrating things on a Venn diagram. So set A, it says here is 1, 3, 6, and 8. And set B is 2, 3, 4, 5, and 8. So the first thing you do is you have a look to see, is there an intersection? Is there anything common? I can see there's 3 and 8 that are in both of them. You all happy with that? So that would mean I would draw a diagram like that one I said was the most common one. So they've drawn that box, and they've got two circles, and they've shown an intersection. What we've then done is draw or write those two numbers in that intersection. So far, so good. Then what we do is, if we've labelled this left-hand circle A, we have a look at set A and say, okay, well, what's left? There was 1 and 6. So that's where we write 1 and 6. What has to happen is that you need to make sure that the circle indicating set A includes all of the members of set A. So you have a look at that circle. You've got 1, 3, 6, and 8. Were they the elements in A? Yes, so that's done. Then we're going to have a look at B. B was 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. We've already got 3 and 8 in our intersection, so we're now going to have 2, 4, and 5 in the other part. Again, double check, have I included everything? If this is set B, yeah, all good. Now, this is your final 7. Unfortunately, it's the one that some people forget. You need to make sure you've included everything in your universal set. So, in this diagram, do I have all of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8? Yeah. Well, in my two circles, not yet. So then I established that I also need the number 7, so that goes on the outside. And that's where it's like it can go anywhere on the outside, but it has to go inside the box. Now, well, this U, sorry, I didn't spot that one. This U shouldn't really be there. You'll see this curly E. Okay, so they normally just label the box somewhere with the universal set symbol. So, oh. Next one, B. We've got set A is 1, 3, 6, 7, 8. B is 3, 6, 8. So at this point, you say, aha, I'm going to look to see if there's any intersection. So I've got 3 of, oh, have an alarm. 3 of both of them, both of them and 8 in both of them. That means that the whole of set B is within set A. You all happy with that? Now, ideally, you would therefore write or draw your diagram in the way they have done. So they've got the circle completely inside set A. Now, if you didn't do that, it's not the end of the world as long
You almost did last year, but you covered it up with another one.
So we've got here all of set B is within set A. So that's why they've drawn their circle completely inside it. Now, if you have just drawn your diagram already like this, that's fine. It just means that all of your numbers here, 3, 6, and 8, oh, that's a bit clear, 3, 6, and 8 would be here. You would have nothing in this outside bit. All right. So if you see that happening, you may want to reconsider resketching it. Anyway, so we've got 3, 6, and 8 inside. We've got labelled A and B. We've also got in addition 1 and 7, so that's why these two have gone here. And then for this diagram, it's the same universal set, so we had to put 2, 4, and 5 on the outside. Okay?
Yeah. Can you put B inside of the circle or A inside of the circle?
You can, like, yeah, where you label it, it's not super important as long as it's clear that that's set A and B. Okay, yeah. Okay, so we're good for that?
You're on 7.
Oh. I don't think I need to go on to this. I think we should just do some more of these things. Yeah, I think we should practice those. Okay.